Welcome to English Podcast Every Day. This is your gentle space, a quiet moment, just for you, a pause between the noise. Last year, I let go of half of everything I owned, and for the first time, I felt whole. In this soft episode, you'll discover a quiet truth that when we live with less, we often feel more calm, more clarity, more connected to the present moment, and even more confident with our English, not because we push harder, but because we breathe softer. There was a time when I woke up every morning with noise in my head. Too many clothes, too many apps, too many English notebooks, and no peace. One day, in the quiet countryside of Quebec, I met a woman named Elise. She lived in a small white cottage surrounded by snow and silence. Her life was gentle, her English simple, slow, and full of soul. No long words, no grammar stress, just connection. She told me, with her hand wrapped around a warm cup of tea, "I stopped collecting things. I started collecting peace." That sentence changed me. I went home and began releasing. One drawer, one photo, one belief that said more is better. And as I released, I felt lighter. Lighter in my home, lighter in my thoughts, lighter in how I spoke, in English and in life. Science agrees with this softness. Researchers at UCLA discovered that clutter increases stress hormones. Too many things, too many words, they crowd the nervous system. But simplicity calms. So today, I invite you to ask yourself, what are you holding that you no longer need? What noise could you gently let go of? Because when you release the clutter, you don't lose anything. You return to your true self, to the peaceful version of you who always knew how to speak, how to feel, how to be. Let's whisper some healing affirmations together. Breathe in and slowly repeat after me. I don't need more to feel enough. My peace speaks louder than perfect words. I release the clutter and I return to myself. Let these words wrap around you like a soft blanket. Now I gently ask you, do we really need more to feel whole? If your answer is yes or maybe no, whisper it or write it in the comments. And if someone you know is always rushing, always overwhelmed, maybe today is the day to send them this episode. Screenshot the affirmation your soul needed and share it with the hashtag #EnglishPodcastHealing. Because maybe someone out there needs exactly what you just heard. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. And the world will feel your light. See you tomorrow, right here on English Podcast Every Day.